Hi, I love helping businesses reach their goals with SEO. When a business like yours approaches us, the first thing we do is detailed research. We look at where you are today, what your competitors are doing, where the opportunities are, and what it would realistically take to reach your growth goals. Depending on the size of your project and depending on your budget, we usually create a video consultation anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes long. Then we jump on a video call to go through strategy, timeline, budgets, and answer any questions. If we end up working together, we begin improving your website, SEO, content, technical issues, authority, and visibility across Google, Maps, AI search, and everywhere else that your customers are searching for you. Over time, your business moves closer towards its goals month after month while we continue fine-tuning and improving performance. It is unfortunately a very long-term and ongoing process, but the return on investment is absolutely enormous. Anyway, enough talking. Let's take a look at a consultation we did a while back for a business that's doing very well today. Hey Roy, it's Jeff from Overflow, 2:24 p.m. on Monday, January 31st, 2022. I hope your year is going well so far. Okay, I won't waste your time here. Let's go through your website. I like it. I like it very clean, simple, to the point, excellent layout. Whoever set this up did a great job, and they definitely understood what they were doing for step one of a multi-step process. So the content on your website is really well laid out. I like the menu here, areas of practice, an excellent About Me page, and a good Contact Us page that has pretty much everything that Google is looking for in terms of content. Now, in terms of what Google is looking for from a search engine optimization standpoint, you don't have all of it, but you do have a lot of it. So let's take a look at what Google says regarding the technicalities of your website. Specifically, I wanted to look at this 47 out of 100 performance score. Your website is taking about 7.1 seconds to become interactive. So here's what'll happen. Someone will go to Google and they'll type something in like personal injury lawyer Dallas or even Arlington. And what'll happen is Google will already have a database of the websites that are fast and websites that are slow. So let's say yours loads at 7.1 seconds, but you have a competitor down the street whose website loads in 4 seconds. Well, their website is going to show up higher than yours. And then let's say there's a competitor further down the street whose website loads in 2 seconds. Well, that website is going to load higher, I should say higher up in Google search results than the previous one, and so on and so forth. So you want to get this score as high as possible into the green. Like best practices here, 93 out of 100. That is absolutely excellent. If you could do that for performance, you're going to notice a huge boost. Right now, your website is very new in Google. You have 0 authority score, you have 0 traffic, you're not running ads, so you have 0 traffic, and you have 0 backlinks. You have no, I don't even have data here. It's pretty much blank. You're ranking for literally nothing right now, and which is normal because it's brand new. Now, as I posted on your Reddit post, as I commented on your Reddit post, there are 1,600 people who are searching this exact phrase. So every month, 1,600 people are typing this exact phrase into Google. However, there are many more variations. So for example, over here, related keywords, there are 183 related keywords that have a total search volume of 56,000 per month. Now, they're not all going to be useful for you, but many of them will be. Dallas personal injury attorney, 720 monthly searches. Personal injury lawyer Dallas TX, 390 searches. Dallas injury lawyer, 590 monthly searches. Dallas TX injury attorney, 30. I'm 30. It's a low number, almost not worth it to target. Injury attorney Dallas, 170 monthly searches, and there's many more. I will send you this report, and I'm going to send you this report as well. So this is a website audit report. It's for your homepage, and it's for the Dallas personal injury lawyer. So right now, Google has found 30 issues, and you're scoring 49 out of 100. So 51 more points, and you're basically Google page one, spot one, and you're capturing not all, you're never going to capture all 1,600 monthly searches, but I think you'll capture about 500, and that'll give you anywhere from 25 to 50 absolutely wonderful clients who, they're cases that you're willing to take. Because, I work with lots of lawyers. I know you're not going to want to take every single case that comes your way. So like I said, your website, in this audit, your website's taking 4 seconds to load. The file size is too big. I would cut this down by about 75%. And you're missing title tags, you're missing description tags, you're missing image meta tags. So it's a lot of stuff. Okay, although you do have heading tags, the heading tags aren't optimized. So we need to do keyword research. We need to do some comprehensive SEO work to get your score. It doesn't have to be 100 out of 100, but it should certainly be the closer the better. I really like this. I think this would be a very straightforward and easy project for me to do. And yeah, I'd love to work with you. I'm going to leave it at that, and I'll send my findings over to you today. The consultation you just watched was recorded years ago, so naturally SEO has evolved a lot since then. Today, ranking a business successfully takes significantly more time, strategy, content, technical work, and ongoing optimization than it did back then. My team and I have been doing SEO since 1995, and over the years, we've helped businesses from all over the world grow their traffic, visibility, and revenue through SEO. If you're a growing business and you need help with SEO, feel free to contact us anytime for an up-to-date consultation. Or you could try our SEO service with a 90-day free trial. Thanks for watching, and I hope this consultation gave you some useful ideas for your own business.